Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade or downgrade a hosting package in HarmonWeb. So let's get started. Now, in order to get started, first you need to search for harmonweb.com. Then you click on clients area. So here you have to put in your email and password in order to log into your HarmonWeb dashboard. After logging into your HarmonWeb dashboard, you click on these services and click on my services. Then you click on manage. When you click on manage, from your left, you can see these actions right here. If you look at the option, you're going to see upgrade or downgrade and also upgrade or downgrade options. So I'm going to click on upgrade or downgrade. Now when you click on it, here you have to choose the hosting plan you want to upgrade or downgrade it to. So currently this domain is on shared hosting starter plan. So it can only be upgraded to shared hosting classic plan, shared hosting VIP plan. So I cannot downgrade this hosting, I can only upgrade it. So now if you want to upgrade it, you have to select it right here. Then you select if you want 6 months, 12 months, or 24-month price. After doing that, you click choose product. When you click choose product, you're going to scroll down, choose your payment method. Then you click on continue. When you click on continue, you're going to make payments with your preferred payment method. So this is how to upgrade or downgrade a hosting package in HarmonWeb. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel.